You might be wondering as to what exactly is a Nidhi company and how to register one. Hello and welcome. I'm Vineet from ClearTax. In this video, I will walk you through the procedure and documents required to register a Nidhi company. Before we do that, let's understand what exactly is a Nidhi company. Nidhi companies are mostly found in South India. They are non-banking financial companies formed to borrow and lend money to the associated members. These companies work on the principle of providing mutual benefit to the members and encourage members to inculcate the habit of saving money on a regular basis. Nidhi companies are not required to obtain any license or authorization from the Reserve Bank of India or RBI. These companies will have to be registered as a public company and the name must end with Nidhi Limited. A minimum of 7 members are required to commence the operations of a Nidhi company, out of which 3 must be the directors of the company. To start a Nidhi company, you are required to have at least Rs 5 lakh as equity share capital. Please note that a Nidhi company cannot issue preference shares. The following are the documents required for the registration of a Nidhi company. Proof of the registered place of business. You could provide ownership documents or NOC issued by the landlord. Identity proof of all members. Address proof of all members. PAN card copy and photos of the members in the prescribed format. Digital signature. Director identification number of all directors. Memorandum of Association of the company or MOA and Articles of Association of the company, that is AOA. Once you have the required documents handy, you can proceed to register your Nidhi company with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs by filling Form INC9 and DIR2 along with the SPICE form. Form INC9 must be filled by all members of the MOA, while Form DIR2 will have to be filled by the directors of the company. Also, all subscribers must sign declaration as per Rule 516 of Nidhi Rules 2014. A Nidhi company must meet all these conditions within 1 year from its date of registration. The company should have at least 200 members. The net owned funds must be equal to or more than Rs 10 lakh. The net owned funds is calculated as follows. That is equity share capital plus free reserves minus accumulated losses minus intangible assets. The unencumbered term deposits should be at least 10% of the outstanding deposits. The ratio of net owned funds to deposits must not exceed 1:20. A Nidhi company meeting all these conditions is required to file NDH1 by paying the prescribed fee within a period of 90 days from the end of the first fiscal year after incorporation. This form must be certified by a practicing CA, CS or CWA. An extension to the tune of 1 financial year can be provided by the regional director on submitting Form NDH2 within a period of 30 days from the end of the first financial year. Failure to meet all requirements will result in penalties being imposed. Also, the Nidhi company will not be able to accept deposits until it complies with all norms. If you find this video useful, then please do like, comment and share. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video.